Now we have to discuss one problem with respect to star connected supply system. So, this is the problem. In figure, find the line currents provided the supply is balanced, and this is line to line voltage 400 volts and the frequency is 50 hertz and the supply is 3 phase supply. We all know that this is looks like what star connected system, supply system. See, the lines are coming out from this system, and we have to calculate the line currents. We have to calculate the line currents IR, IY, IB. We all know that it star connected supply system, the line voltage which is equals to root 3 V phase and the line current equals to I phase, right. So, here from neutral point to in this phase we have the impedance 6 plus J8, in this we have 6 plus J8, 6 plus J8, therefore, Z phase which is equals to 6 plus J8. So, which is nothing but the magnitude is nothing but what, which is equals to 10 at an angle, that is how we are getting 10, square root of 6 square plus 8 square at an angle tan inverse 8 by 6, that is the mean, which is equals to 10 at an angle. What is the angle? 53.12, 53.12 ohms. So, the Z phase is nothing but 10 at an angle 53.12, and we provide the line voltages VL is equals to 400. What about phase voltages, which is equals to VL by root 3. So, what is 400 by root 3, which is equals to what? 231 volts. So, this is phase impedance, phase voltage. Now, we have to calculate the phase current, that is I phase, which is equals to V phase by Z phase, which is equals to 231 at an angle 0 degrees. So, here 231 at an angle 0 by what is Z phase? Here Z phase is what? 10 at an angle 53.12. So, here 231 by 10 is nothing but 23.1 at an angle 0 minus 53.12, that is minus 53.12 degrees amperes. So, this is the phase current 23.1 at an angle minus 53.12 amps. Okay. This is phase current of R. It is better to write. Then the phase current of R, which is equals to 23.1 at an angle minus 53.13 amps. Then what about the phase current like this of Y? The magnitude is same, that is 23.1, but between R and Y phase we have 120 degrees phase displacement, right. So, this is minus 53.13 minus 120 degrees. So, here it is what 23.1 at an angle minus 173.13 degrees amps. So, this is the phase current of Y. Again the phase current of B 23.1 at an angle minus 53.13 minus between R and B we have 240 degrees minus 240 degrees, which is equals to 23.1 at an angle minus 293.13 amps. We all know that in case of star connector supply system, line current is equals to phase current, but the required data is what? Line currents we have to calculate. We are having phase currents, but in case of star connected system, the phase currents which are equals to line currents. So, which is equals to line current of R, which is equals to line current of Y, which is equals to line current of B. So, like this we have to analyze the circuit. So, like this we have to calculate the required data providing this phase manner calculations. Now, we have to discuss one problem. So, here also in this phase we have impedance, that is 6 plus J8, that is RL load, 6 plus J8, 6 plus J8. Simple. This is delta connector supply system. First we have to write VL is equals to V phase IL is equals to root 3 I phase, that is it. And the impedance per phase, that is Z per impedance per phase is nothing but 6 plus J8, which is equals to what? We all know that 10 at an angle 53.12 ohm. And he find the line currents provided the supply is balanced and 100 volts. Here we all know that in delta connected supply system VL is equals to V phase. So, this is nothing but line voltage as well as phase voltage. So, VL is equals to V phase is equals to 100 at an angle 0 degrees volts. So, we have Z phase, we have V phase. Therefore, I phase equals to what? V phase by Z phase, which is equal to 100 at an angle 0 by 10 at an angle 53.12. So, which is equals to I phase of R, which is equals to 10 at an angle minus 53.12 amperes. Like this, I phase of Y is equals to 10, magnitude is same, but minus 53.12 minus 120 minus 173.12 amperes. Like this, phase current of V is equals to 10 at an angle minus 53.12 plus minus 240 minus 293.12 degrees. So, this is the phase current of R by B, but we have to get the line currents. So, line current of R, which is equals to what? We all know that line current equals to root 3 into I phase, that is line current equals to root 3 into I phase. So, root 3 into phase current of R, which is equals to root 3 into 10 at an angle minus 53.12, which is equals to 10 into root 3 what? 1.73 into 10, that is 17.32 at an angle. This is ILR. Again same like the line current of Y is equals to 17.32 at an angle minus 173.12 amperes. Again the line current of B is equal to 17.32 at an angle minus 293.12 degrees. So, this is about the phase voltage and line current given. We have to calculate the phase impedance, again phase current, then phase currents of different phases, line currents of different phases, that is it. A 3-phase load has a resistance of 10 ohms in each phase and is connected in star as well as delta. Against a 400 volts 3-phase 50 supply, compare the power consumption in both the cases. So, we have to calculate the power in star as well as delta. So, now it is time for star connection. Okay. We all know that in star connection VL is equals to root 3 V phase and IL is equals to I phase, right. So, if we consider star connection, this is what 400 volts is taken as line voltage. Let us take VL is nothing but 400 volts. If he did not mention anything, we have to take it as line voltage. Therefore, phase voltage is equals to what? VL by root 3, which is equals to 400 by root 3, which is equals to 231 volts. 231 volts is nothing but phase voltage. Okay. Then he provide the impedance, per phase impedance, which is nothing but resistance is nothing but 10 ohm. No? Therefore, I phase is equals to what? V phase by Z phase, which is equals to what is V phase? 231 by what is R, which is equals to 23.1 amperes. So, the phase current is 23.1, which is equals to phase current is equals to line current is equals to 23.1 amperes. Okay. Now, we have to calculate the power, that is power in star connected 3-phase supply is nothing but 3 into V phase into I phase into cos phi or root 3 into VL into IL into cos phi. You can substitute in any formula, whether it is 3 into V phase I phase cos phi or root 3 into VL IL cos phi. So, it is equals to 3 into what is the value of V phase, which is equals to 231 into what is the value of I phase, which is equals to 23.1. What is cos phi? Here the cos phi is what? See, 3 phase load has a resistance of 10 ohms. The load is having only resistance. That is why cos phi is nothing but 1, that is 1. Since pure resistive circuit, that is why cos phi is taken as 1. See, 3 phase load has a resistance of 10, that is pure resistive circuit. So, from this we have the power in star connected 3 phase supply is nothing but we are getting 16 kilowatts, 16 kilowatts. So, this is with respect to star connection. Now, with respect to delta connection, so we all know that VL is equals to V phase, IL is equals to root 3 I phase. So, here VL is equals to V phase equals to 400 volts, right. Then we have to calculate, and given Z phase is what? 10 ohms. Therefore, I phase is equals to V phase by Z phase, which is equals to 400 by 10, which is equals to 40 amps of phase current. Therefore, line current is equals to root 3 into 40. What is the answer? There is no need of calculating, simply it is ampere. So, we have phase voltage, phase current, and the power in case of delta connected 3 phase supply system is nothing but 3 into V phase I phase cos, which is equals to 3 into what is the value of V phase? 400, I phase is 40, power factor is 1, which is equals to what? 48 kilowatts. So, here star connected supply system, if we consider 16 kilowatts we have, if it is delta connected system we have 48 kilowatts. So, from this the power in delta connected system is 3 times the power in star connected system. The power in delta connected system is 3 times the power in star connected system. This is very, very, very important observation. Okay, this is very important problem, that is why I am considering this problem. Always the power in delta connected system is 3 times the power in star connected system.